In the last video, we discussed how we are always living either in the past or in the future. Our thoughts are either running towards the future or towards things that happened in the past. Now today I'm going to discuss with you what really happens when you start to meditate. Okay. Now when I initially started to meditate, what I really saw was that my mind was going all over the place. I was not able to concentrate. It was so difficult for me to concentrate. Okay. And the reason was that there were so many thoughts that kept coming. And when I started, I did an exercise, and this is an exercise which some of you can also do, is take a paper and a pen and sit down alone, okay, and just let your mind randomly go anywhere it wants to, okay. So I did this exercise and I sat down for 10 minutes, not more. And I just kept writing all the thoughts that kept coming, from my cat losing hair all over the place, to how the place is so colorful, to how my plants were dying and I need to replace the plants. From the plants I went to the lawn. I need to keep a mali. The mali I went on to how I need a new mali because the old one's left. Then I went into how the new mali is very expensive, and at this time during the COVID times, where do I find a new guy? And then from COVID I went to the number of deaths that are happening, and then about my old mother in the house. And within a fraction of a minute, or maybe at the most a minute, from my cat all the way, I reached my mother's house and her health, and and then very soon I reached my office. Random thoughts just all over the place, no correlation to each other. And that's how thoughts are. And we feel that it's our thought. We think these thoughts. But the beauty is, we don't think these thoughts. These thoughts just land up. And I'd heard one of my mentors talking, and he said that imagine you're standing at a railway station. Okay, you've been to a railway station. So imagine you're standing at a railway station, and you see a guy who's standing too close to the railway track. Have you ever had a thought that what happens if he falls in? Have you ever had a thought that what if I push him in, what will happen? Or a thought like, if I jump in, what will happen? Have you ever had that thought? Because I don't know about you, but I've had those thoughts a lot of times. I'm not a psycho. I'm not depressed. I'm not upset. But I realized that such weird thoughts come. I don't invite them. They just randomly drop in. It's like they're visiting. So when I meditate, coming back to that, every time I meditate, thoughts drop in and they keep walking. It's like I feel my mind is a railway station, and thoughts are like trains that keep coming and going. And whichever train is exciting enough, I just sit on it, and before I know it, I've gone a long way ahead. So what really meditation does, it allows you to stand back and look at all the trains coming and going. It allows you to actually decide which train you want to get on. And when you are relaxed about, and when you can stand back and look at all the trains coming in and going out, you are at a freedom to choose which train to catch. I hope you are connecting the analogy that I am working out for you. And hence, meditation really helps in you taking control of what you're thinking, what's going on in your life. And when you are in control of your thoughts, you are more in control of your outcomes. Because your thoughts give you feelings, feelings give you your actions, and actions give you your results. Maybe in one of the videos next time, I will go a little more details into the thoughts, feeling, action and result.